Have you seen the ads claiming that Qinux PolarBreeze can transform a hot room into a cool, comfortable space in just 90 seconds while using only a tiny amount of electricity? Those promises certainly grab attention, but they also raise some important questions. Qinux PolarBreeze is promoted as a revolutionary portable air conditioner supposedly inspired by technology created by former NASA engineers. Yet there is no reliable evidence supporting those NASA-related claims. The product is marketed with terms like cryoflux technology and presented as if it functions like a real air conditioner. But available information indicates it operates more like a compact evaporative cooler or desk fan rather than a true AC, unlike conventional air conditioners. It does not include a compressor or refrigeration system, meaning it cannot cool an entire room the way a genuine air conditioner can. While it may provide a small stream of cooler air when used nearby, expectations should remain realistic because the dramatic cooling claims appear exaggerated. Another point worth considering is the marketing itself. The advertisements rely heavily on countdown timers, massive discounts, limited stock warnings, and promotional videos that appear highly polished, with some content showing signs commonly associated with AI-generated advertising. Similar devices have also appeared under different brand names such as BreezeMax and Breeze AC, suggesting this is a rebranded generic product rather than a unique innovation. Comparable versions can often be found through wholesale marketplaces at significantly lower prices, while Qinux PolarBreeze is sold at a much higher markup. None of this automatically proves the product is a scam, but it does suggest buyers should carefully separate marketing claims from realistic performance. If you're expecting the cooling power of a traditional air conditioner, this product is unlikely to deliver those results. However, if you understand that it functions more like a small personal cooling fan for close-range use, your expectations will be much more realistic. Before spending your money, it's always wise to research carefully, compare alternatives, and focus on verified performance instead of bold advertising claims.